Hello guys, welcome to the Daily Dose by Finity. Today, let's see what are the important aspects of maintaining a good credit score. But firstly, what is a good credit score rating? Is it 300? 500? Well, a good score is somewhere between 700 to 900. If yours is less than that, then don't panic. There are ways in which you can make it better. Make sure you maintain timely payments. Bring that discipline of being punctual with your EMIs. Check your credit reports for errors or mistakes. Consult with a professional credit bureau and review it thoroughly. Get the right credit mix, so comprising unsecured loans like personal loans and secured loans like vehicle loans or housing loans. Close the unsecured loans on priority. Reduce credit card utilization. This is difficult, but reducing it does help in your score over the long run. Whenever you're looking to seek a loan, ask for a longer tenure so that you manage the repayment with no undue pressure on your finances. Keep loans to a minimum. It is ideal to take one loan at a time, repay the same on time, and then go for a fresh loan with an improved credit score. Last but not the least, pay your credit card bills fully. Don't do it in tranches or pay the minimum amount due. Pay it in full and regularly. Hope these points help. For more tips like these, follow our YouTube channel and Instagram page. Happy investing!